Hello kids and welcome back. Today we are going to add something interesting with our arm, a hand or a gripper with which our arm is going to get something from one place and put it somewhere else. So what we are going to do in the costumes, we have to check this one. This is our arm 1, this is our arm 2, and we want to put them in the same direction. Okay. So this is very important because everything is dependent on this position. Okay. So always remember our arm 1, the center point is this one. Okay. Right. And for arm 2, the center point is on this side. Okay. And now close the costumes. Let's check our game. Is it working? Okay. You can see it is working. All right. Now with the arm 2, that is the red one, we are going to add a hand. And for that, I'm going to add a new sprite. And from sprite, I can choose this one. This is a cactus. This looks like a hand. I'm just going to select it. Now I'm going to costumes. I'm going to select this all and rotate it and put it on this side of our center. Okay. I need to delete these ones. I don't want these. And we can also change the color. You can also add the finger if you like. Okay, just copy this one and they can add. But for now, I think it's okay. But you can see it is very big for that arm. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all of it and make it smaller. A little bit more. Yeah, I think that's good enough for that arm size. Okay, remember where we are putting our center point. Okay, I'm just going to group it so it stays safe. Now I can rename it as grip and my costume as grip 1. I'm just going to copy it. This is going to be grip 2 automatically, and for grip 2 I'm just going to select it, make it like that, squeeze it so it looks like a closed hand. Okay, need to group it again. You always have to group again. All right, so what happening here, you can see it seems like a hand is closing and opening. You can choose any hands you like. Okay, I'm just going to use this one for now. Okay, so what we have here, we have another hand here. Now I am going to do is I'm just going to arm 2, copy this one to grip. Okay, when I'm going to bring this one into grip, in arm 2 I still have this code and there is a copy of this code here. Okay, but for that we don't want elbow angles. Elbow angle is for the arm 2. We are going to create a new variable. Okay, I am going to make a variable that should be wrist angle. Okay, now I have a wrist angle. I don't want to show it here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to change this one to wrist angle. take this one away, put this one instead of wrist angle. Okay, now when I'm going to click on it, it's going in the direction of arm 1. I have to go to direction of arm 2, and this one changes as well. You have to take care that it is the direction of arm 2. Okay, so when I'm going to stop and click on it, let's see what's happening. Okay, what steps we want to move? We need to move some steps. Maybe we can do it 60. Okay, is it 60 enough? Maybe 90 or 100, minus 100 it is. Okay, let's see what's happening here. It is still detached. Let's debug it. What's happening here? Okay, I need to stop it. Go to arm 1, make 0. Okay, and arm 2. Okay, it has to go to arm 2 actually. Alright, and we have here minus 60. Okay, I think it's gonna work right now. Let's play it, and it is working. Okay, so we have created our hand here, and now let's put some controls. So with something it does something. We have controls in arm 2, up arrow, down arrow, in arm 1, right arrow and left arrow. So we don't have any arrows left here. So I'm going to use the keys 1 and 2. Okay, so from events, when key 1 is pressed, okay, change costume. Okay, or go to costume. Which costume? Switch to costume 1 and duplicate with 2, grip 2. Okay, so when I am pressing 1 and 2, you can see it is the gripping something. Okay, if I am going to, you can see that with the right. Okay, I have to stop, play. All right, if you are not clicking on the green button, only one thing that is active, the one sprite that is active, that's going to respond to it. Okay, so after green flag clicked, everything is working smoothly, and my hand grip is working as well. So with this I can carry anything. Okay, all right, so we got our grip active and running now. That's all for today. See you in the next module. Bye bye now.